Today's topic is square and square root, and we are going to solve another problem from this chapter. See, the question says that there are 1,000 children in a school for a PT drill. You know what drill practices where children are asked to stand in several rows and columns. So that is what we are asked to do. That the PT drill, they have to stand in such a way that the number of rows is equal to number of columns, which means number of rows are these, so number of rows will be equal to the number of columns. These are columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? So if there are 1,000 children, in order to make them stand in this arrangement, that is equal rows and equal column, how many children will be left out? That means we have to subtract the number from 1,000. That is, we have to take less number of children. So let's follow the steps now. First step will be, we have to find the square of the number. Square because we are finding out the arrangement in row and column. So this is way it is arranged. Equal row and equal column. It means we have to find square. So first we will find out the square of the number, that is 1,000. So general manner 1,000 will be written in this manner. We will make rows starting from right and move towards the left. So the first pair and the second pair. Now the first pair that we have is 10, and the square closest to 10 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Subtract. We get 1. The next pair moves down. This is 3 into 2. This is the general pattern that we have to follow. That is 3 into 2. This is the part of the formula. So 6 over here. Now have to think of such a number with which if we multiply the number, we are going to get a number close to 100. So see, the number will be 61 into 1 or 62 into 2. Commonsensically, 60, that is 6 into 2 is 12. So 60 into 2 will be 120. So 62 into 2 will be obviously more than 100. So we do not have to actually perform it. We can get an idea out of it using our common sense. So we are going to multiply the number over here, that the number will be 1. So the number becomes 61. Now we are going to subtract 100 minus 61, we get 39. The 39 is the remainder, which means that if 39 children are left out, then we can arrange the children for the PT drill in such a way that there are 31 rows and 31 columns. So this is what we are going to write. Since number of rows is equal to number of columns, it will be basically, therefore, the required number of children will be is equal to, the required number of children will be 31 square. Okay, so we're going to write it over here, 31 square. 31 square will be what? 1000 minus 39. That is what? So 1000 minus 39. That is 1000 minus 39, 961. So 961 is the number. And therefore, number of children to be left out will be 39, the number that we had got as a remainder. So number of children to be left out is equal to 39. Now you see, if you want to check the answer, you can find out that 961, it is actually 31 square. We can check the answer. 31 into 31. See, we got 961. So this is how we are going to solve these kind of sums. This is the answer of a part and this is the answer for the other part. That is 961. 31 square is equal to 961.